the next-generation humanoid robot with emotional intelligence. Lingxi X2. As humanity pushes the boundaries of technology, a revolution is taking place in the fields of artificial intelligence and robotics. Robots are no longer just mechanical devices performing repetitive tasks in factories. They have evolved into entities that can think, learn, and even understand and respond to emotions, much like humans. One of the most striking examples of this transformation is Lingxi X2, which is not just a robot, but a harbinger of a new era. Developed by the Chinese robotics company Agibot, this humanoid robot showcases how artificial intelligence can transform human life with its advanced emotional intelligence, dynamic mobility, and instant learning capabilities. Lingxi X2 is not only a technological marvel, but also holds the potential to become a partner that coexists with humans in the society of the future. Recent significant advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics technologies have greatly enhanced the capabilities of humanoid robots. These developments have enabled robots to evolve from mechanical devices that perform specific tasks into intelligent beings capable of perceiving their surroundings, interacting with humans, and making real-time decisions. One of the most remarkable examples in this field is the humanoid robot named Lingxi X2. Lingxi X2 is a next-generation humanoid robot developed by the Chinese robotics company Agibot, combining artificial intelligence with emotional intelligence. This robot has garnered significant attention not only for its physical abilities, but also for its capacity to interact with humans and perceive emotions. Thanks to advanced AI algorithms, it can analyze human facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. This allows it to understand the emotional state of the person it interacts with and provide appropriate responses. For example, it can offer comforting words when someone is sad, or share in their joy when they are happy. This feature offers a significant advantage, particularly in the healthcare sector and elderly care. Lingxi X2 operates with an advanced artificial intelligence engine called Genie Operator 1, GO1. Thanks to this engine, the robot can instantly learn new tasks without the need for prior training. It can acquire new skills by observing or receiving simple commands. For example, Lingxi X2 can quickly learn to clean a room or master a new dance move. Additionally, with a motion system featuring 28 degrees of freedom, Lingxi X2 can perform human-like flexible and fluid movements. It can successfully execute complex physical activities, such as riding a bicycle, dancing, and maintaining balance on a hoverboard. Moreover, its ability to overcome obstacles and maneuver in tight spaces makes it suitable for use in industrial environments. Lingxi X2 possesses advanced motor skills that allow it to be used in tasks requiring high precision, such as medical operations. For instance, it can assist doctors in surgical procedures or perform microscopic tasks in laboratory settings. This feature expands the use of robots in the healthcare sector. Furthermore, as a versatile robot designed for both industrial and everyday use, Lingxi X2 can serve as a patient care assistant in healthcare, an assembly worker in manufacturing plants, or a helper at home for tasks like cleaning and cooking. It can also function as a security guard. The advanced capabilities of humanoid robots like Lingxi X2 are driven by recent technological advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics. These developments have transformed robots from mere mechanical devices into intelligent and autonomous systems. Machine learning enables robots to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it. Deep learning, in particular, has revolutionized the processing of visual and auditory data. Thanks to these technologies, Lingxi X2 can understand its environment and quickly learn new tasks. Robots can perceive their surroundings through cameras and sensors. Computer vision technology allows them to recognize objects, distinguish faces, and even navigate complex environments. Lingxi X2 uses this technology to successfully perform tasks such as avoiding obstacles and reaching targets. Real-time decision-making technology, especially used in autonomous systems, enables robots to quickly adapt to sudden changes. This allows Lingxi X2 to operate effectively even in dynamic environments. Natural language processing technology enables robots to understand human language and provide appropriate responses. With this technology, Lingxi X2 can communicate naturally with humans and comprehend complex instructions. Humanoid robots like Lingxi X2 have the potential to bring about significant transformation across many sectors in the future. In the healthcare sector, they can assist doctors in surgical operations, provide support in patient care, and even play a role in physical therapy processes. Particularly in elderly care, they can offer emotional support, boosting patients' morale. In manufacturing and logistics, robots like Lingxi X2 can greatly enhance efficiency in high-precision assembly tasks and warehouse management. Additionally, they can work in hazardous environments, improving the safety of human workers. In the field of education, they can provide one-on-one educational support to students, reducing the workload of teachers. They can be particularly effective tools for language learning and STEM education. For home and personal use, they can assist in smart homes with cleaning, cooking, and other household chores, making daily life easier for people. They can also serve as personal assistants for the elderly or disabled at home. In the entertainment and arts sectors, Lingxi X2's abilities, such as dancing and playing music, can be utilized in the entertainment industry. For example, it can perform in concerts or theater plays. Lingxi X2 represents the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and robotics technologies. With its advanced emotional intelligence, dynamic mobility, and versatile applications, it holds great potential for both industrial and everyday life. In the future, as advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics continue, robots like Lingxi X2 are expected to become even smarter, more agile, and more responsive. Such robots have the potential to revolutionize many sectors by enhancing the quality of human life. Lingxi X2 is the most compelling evidence of how artificial intelligence and robotics technologies promise to transform humanity. This robot is not just a machine. It is rapidly becoming a partner capable of understanding human emotions, learning, and working in harmony with people. Imagining a future where robots like Lingxi X2 are integrated into every aspect of our lives is no longer science fiction. It is reality. If you too want to stay updated on these fascinating advancements, pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, and learn about the latest developments in future technologies, subscribe to the Next AI Vision channel. Let's shape the future together, because pushing the limits of technology is only possible when we work as one. See you on Next AI Vision.